So whenever you're using this division operator, what happens is, for example, if you're doing 5 divided by 4, this division operator, it will give you the quotient. Okay, this will give you the quotient. If you want to get the remainder, you have another operator called modulo. This will give you the remainder. Okay, next is an increment operator, which is nothing but plus plus. So this is nothing but, if you do something like a plus plus, it is equivalent to a is equals to a plus 1. Okay, which means you're trying to increment it by 1. That is plus plus. Similarly, you have minus minus, which is decrement by 1. You can see value got incremented to 10. So next, let's move on to the assignment operators. So in case of assignment operators, so in general, what is the equals to that you're seeing? That is an assignment operator. Okay. Similarly, there are other operators as well. Addition assignment, which is plus equals to. If you're writing something like a plus equals to 5, this is similar to a is equals to a plus 5. Okay, this is addition assignment. Similarly, you have subtraction assignment. Okay, next comes comparison operators. So comparison operators are nothing but double equals to. So equals to is nothing but an assignment operator, which is nothing but you're assigning a value to a variable. Next, let us see conditional statements, which is nothing but, the first one is if-else statement. So what does that look like? It will try to validate some conditions. For example, whenever you're doing some programming, you might have to choose between different alternatives, right? For example, if a person is logged in, I want to show something. If a person is not logged in,